Hello friends, thank you so much for getting me connected in LinkedIn Citizen One Solution. My name is Swarup Sengupta and today I'll be teaching you or we will all learning together about the large language model and without the help of open API key. So this is the first time I'll be teaching you this thing. It's a wonderful experience because everything is free. You don't have to give credit card or anything else, but you will get the essence of how the large language model works, and you can upload any PDF document, and based on that PDF document you can ask any query and it will give you the desired result. So please keep watching.
I'm running a simple Python file which is chatpdf.py. Okay, let me run this program and then I will let you know step by step. Simulate run chatpdf.py. Now you can see that it is running in localhost 8501. Now this is a file I'll be browsing from my local machine. This is a PDF file of a person named Raghuvi, who is a guy who is having some experience, and I will be asking queries here based on whatever it is written in that file. Now first I have uploaded this file and now I will submit this, and you can see that this file is getting processed and it is done. Now if I write anything, what is the experience of Raghu Das? Okay, now before that, let me see what is there in that particular file. The Raghuveer Das is a person, is a fictitious name and also the fictitious address. He is having some experience in machine learning and some professional experience, and also have done some internship from Citizen One. And I'll be asking question based on this PDF file, like BTech in computer science from Indian Excellence and Management. See, these are all fictitious things. Now I'll be asking question here, what is the experience of Raghuveer Das? See, here it has come, already it has come. Now let me write another thing, where he did his internship. You can see that this app is running, and see here it gives Citizen One internship, and it is there in that PDF file also here. So in that way, based on this PDF file, it will answer the necessary information. So now I will tell you what are the steps that are required in order to get into this project. I have segregated the entire project into three different parts. One is the hardware and software requirements, and then the Python packages and the different Google API key, then project files, then complete architecture, then I will walk through the code, run the code and the testing. Now the hardware requirements, you need maybe 8 GB of RAM, or maybe 15 GB of hard disk space. Okay, and the operating system I'm using here is the Windows 10, but you can also use it Linux. And the software I am using here is VS Code from Microsoft and Anaconda. Right. In the Python packages, we have this Streamlit, Google Generative AI, Langchain, PyPDF2, ChromaDB, FAISS CPU, Langchain underscore Google underscore Gen AI, PDF2 image, Conda. So I'll copy this one and I will write here. So this one is my Python package. So this is done. Now next is the Google API key. Now in the VS Code environment, you have to create a file called .env, and under that .env you have to create a Google API key which is similar to this one. You have to write this code Google underscore API underscore key equal to this one. So this is a fake thing, so don't try to copy this one. So you can get this Google API key from the Google website. Now we have this project file. Project file is, we have .env, where you can have that Google API key, and this is the main chat pdf.py which we will be discussing, and then it's a PDF file about the Raghuveer Das, but you can you can have a PDF file anywhere. So this I have put it here, in order to make the project very easy. And I will also suggest you to insert a PDF file under this VS project file. And this one is a requirement.txt. Now this is the complete architecture of simple localized chatbot answering querying based on document. First thing first, I will go to the uh, terminal, and I will, so this is a new terminal, or under the VS Code, and since I have Conda installed under this VS Code, so I'll be creating an environment by writing this code Conda create minus name and VNV. You can name anything. This is called the virtual environment. Okay. Now I am creating a virtual environment. Now it is working. Retrieving notice working on that, and he's saying a Conda environment already exists. So I'll be saying no. If you, for your case, if you are creating the first time, you have to say yes. Once I have created the virtual environment, I will write it Conda activate VENV. So since I have already activated the VENV, so I'm not doing it again. So you can do it from your side. Now next is I will say pip install minus r, which is recursive, requirements dot txt. So you have to give this command, and it will install all the Python packages which is there. Now let me see whether the desired packages is installed with this kind of command. So here you can see that it will give the relevant packages which are installed. So here you can see that everything is there. If I go for, say, whether Streamlit is installed or not, you can go and find whether Streamlit QRS ST, yeah, see, you can see the Streamlit, this package is installed. Then you go to the Google generative AI, so you can keep on, after that you can see that whether your desired packages is installed or not. See, this is the schematic diagram of the complete architecture of chatbot answering queries based on the documents. So which I will now explain it in a very detailed manner. First, you can see that the PDF files, the program here will read the data from the PDF files, which is this one. Okay, and then the entire PDF file will be converted into text with this program, which is the get underscore PDF underscore text PDF docs, which is in this one. Next, by virtue of this function, the entire PDF will be splitted into different chunks of text with this recursive character text splitter. Like this is the different chunks, and after that it will be converted into the vector database, which is nothing but a floating point numbers, which is this one. In the code, it will this function is responsible for this, and then this conversational chain, it is like the user will ask different queries, and these queries through this Streamlit interface, it will go to this Google Gemini plus this Langchain, and there it will go also through the Facebook AI similarity search, and it will try to find the similarity, what are the questions that has been asked, which the knowledge base, and again it will go back to the end user. So this entire thing happen with the virtue of this one and this one. Okay, and the last one is the user input, where the user will ask different questions, and it will be embedded. This will go through this FAISS, and it will search on this vector store, and it will give the relevant result. This is very important. Now we have come to the code, and I will explain step by step of the different parts of the code. Now first come first. This is about the import. Now this one I'll be importing libraries for PDF reading, which is this one, PYPDF2, then text piecing, which is recursive character text splitter, which is this one, and then for embedding I will be using this one, and also Google is having a tie-up with Langchain, it's another community, and after that I'll be also importing this FAISS, which is also from the Langchain community, and FAISS is Facebook AI similarity search. So these are the different packages which I have already mentioned that I have to import, like this one. Okay. Now next I will set up the environment variables. Now here environment variable is, first I have already explained that in the .env file you have to set up this Google API key, where this API key you can get it from Google, and this is also, you don't have to spend any money on that, unlike OpenAI API, it is free. Okay, and after that we will go straight to the helper function. Now what is the helper function? Helper function, it has three different functions. First one is the get PDF text. It reads the PDF file and converted the entire PDF file into the big chunks of text, which is this one. So you can see the follow. After that, this text is splitted into different text with chunk size of 10,000 and chunk overlap is 1000. After that, the entire chunk is being converted into embedding through this Google generative AI embedding, and the model is embedding 001. Then this vector store is stored into the FAISS DB store, and it is then saved in the FAISS index, and it is automatically created, where you can see that this one on the left hand side, you can see this is the FAISS index. One is index.FAISS and another is index.pkl. p.pkl. So you can't see that because it is said it is stored in the binary or an unsupported text coding. Okay, then we have conversational chain. Now this conversational chain, it defines a prompt template for question answering. The template includes, this is called the placeholder. This placeholder for context extracted the PDF text and the user can ask question. Now here it instructs the AI model to answer as comprehensively as possible and avoid providing incorrect answer, which means that I will instruct the AI that give me the answer which is not available. Gives, if the answer is not available in the context, you should write in this manner, that answer is not available in the context, or it is not possible for me to say the, or to don't to say right now. And also you instruct the AI model that don't provide any wrong answer. Okay, so in that you are instructing the AI model that either give the right answer, or you don't say that it is not available. And this is the context which will come and you are asking that question. So this is the prompt template. Now after that we have user input handling. Now what does the user input handling? It processes the user input, this one embeddings, and this one is stored into the vector database, which is the FAISS, FAISS. I don't know whether I have spelled it right or not. Now it is stored into the new DB, new underscore DB. This is a doc, and this chain is nothing. It's a get underscore conversational underscore chain, which is this one. Now this one is the Streamlit app, which is the user interface. Now here the main function, it creates the page configuration, and this function is set underscore page underscore config, and this one is the chat PDF. Okay, now if I open this browser, it is this one, chat PDF. And after that it creates also a header with chat with PDF using Gemini, which is this one. Okay, after that, if the user asks question, then it goes into that text underscore input, and this whatever you ask, this user underscore question will take it, and it will, if if you ask a question based on the PDF file, this will take that string. Okay, the text string. Now here we have the menu bar, which is this one, and this one is basically, it will you can see that this PDF docs, this PDF underscore docs, what it does is it will, whatever you upload the file, and after pressing the button, it will convert this PDF doc into the raw text, and then it will again convert that into the get into the raw text into the chunks, and it will store that text chunk into the vector store. Let me run the program once again. Streamlit run chat pdf dot py. Let me upload this file once again. Click this submit and process this button, and let me like write what is his key responsibility in bullet points. You can see that it is also running, and let me see whether it gives me in the bullet point or not. Fantastic. See, it gives me everything in the bullet point. This is my LinkedIn channel, so you can see that this is the URL. So you can see that I have 300 connections. Mostly they are all engineers. So please share with your friends, and so that we can be much more interactive. That's all for today. If you like my channel, please share it with your friends and subscribe this channel.